started. Whenever you look in the course on the right-hand side, on the upcoming page, you'll find a link that says article summary for Monday, February 1st. I'll get somebody else coming in. Reggie, Damon, Reggie. All right, so on the right-hand side, you'll find article summary from Monday, February 1st. It's in here as an assessment. That makes it the easiest way to do the thing. Whenever you click that, it'll bring you to a page that says, let me show you what it'll look like for you. Bring you to a page that says article summary for Monday, February 1st. Start new attempt. It says you get 6 attempts, but you don't really need more than one. I just pick some random number. So it's just one thing to do. It says visit sciencenewsforstudents.org and pick an article to read. Write a short summary about what you learned. All right, so sciencenewsforstudents.org, you could click on this. If you do it right, you can open up a second window, or you can copy and paste the link into a window or something like that. So this website, sciencenewsforstudents.org, is an excellent site that provides, current events in science. Obviously, one of the biggest things going on in science right now is understanding the coronavirus pandemic. And so there's some articles about that. One says unmasking the pandemic's pollution problem. So what about all the PPE that people have? How do you deal with that? 5 questions about COVID-19 vaccine trials. Then there's some other current things, like there's a technique that's allowed tree snakes to climb very wide trees. So the tree is very large in diameter, but the tree is not very big. This is an article that interested me. I read about this a little while ago. Some electric eels coordinate their attacks to zap prey. So there's all kinds of different sorts of articles about all kinds of different stuff. And the articles aren't really that long. If there's a particular topic you're interested in, like if you're interested in space, you can click the space link. It'll give you just space news. So maybe you're like, oh, this is the thing about rogue planets. Rogue planets are planets that don't belong to individual stars, but they're large planets that just kind of cruise through galaxies or between galaxies. The articles are fairly short, and there are links that can take you to other places. But then another thing that's valuable, in case there's words that you don't understand, is down toward the bottom. It's actually kind of a long article. There's a thing that says power words. So this has definitions for some of the words, in case you're like, oh, I don't understand what, it means to be, I don't know, what the word gravitational lensing means. There's a description about gravitational lensing. All right, so all I want you to do is visit sciencenewsforstudents.org, pick an article that interests you, read it, and just write, a brief summary. It can be, not just one sentence, but a few lines describing what you learned in your own words. Just insert that here. So that's what we're going to do today. You have the whole rest of the period. That's like another hour and 15 minutes to do that. If we are also remote tomorrow, which I don't know yet, but if we're also remote for tomorrow, it'll be the same thing for tomorrow. You won't have to do another one, but this sciencenewsforstudents.org is the assignment for as long as we're remote. If that's just today, it's just today. If it's today and tomorrow, then it's today and tomorrow. You'll see that you have until tomorrow to get it done. So it's linked for up to tomorrow night. You can also find the link for that website in our upcoming list. So here it says upcoming, be sure to join our class. And the sciencenewsforstudents.org website is linked there. So if you want to open 2 of these windows, one for going to the site and then another one for where you put in your few lines about the article summary, then that's cool. So it's good that you checked in. You make sure you check in every class, every period to be counted in attendance. Even though that's what we'll also do tomorrow, make sure you check in tomorrow to be counted in attendance. That's all I have for you today. If you have any questions, you can put them in the chat, or you can turn on your mic and ask them. Otherwise, just do that Science News for Students article summary, and we're good.
See you, Flint.
Keep it real.
All right, Flint. Have a good day.
You know me.
Bye.
Bye.
Yo, did you mark me for being here? Because I came in late. Hello?
Hey, Reggie, I can barely hear you.
you hear me now?
Yeah.
I was just seeing if you marked me here because like I came in the Zoom late or whatever.
Yep, I gotcha. Yeah,
All right.
as I let you in, I check you down.
All right.
Cool. Keep it real.
You, Mr. Flint, my guy.